Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be me getting my hair done. It's been a while since I've gotten my hair done.
Maybe like a month or so. I don't know. But
I'm kind of excited because I'm doing something different for my hair for once. It's usually like a blonde. I think I'm actually gonna go for like a nice lilac color. And I'm so nervous because I've never gotten like a lavender color before, or like any other bold color in general. It's always been like blonde. So I'm a little bit excited and nervous, but he does amazing hair and I can't wait to see him again. It's been so long. But anyways, I went to go get some Starbucks. Got me my sandwich and I got me my drink. Your girl needs it. It's like 8:50. I'm a little bit early, so I guess I'm just gonna wait here till it comes. But the real reason I'm here is because
We're gonna be drinking, guys, at like 9 a.m. What's up?
okay, angles. So since we're gonna be waiting, we're gonna do like a little mini mukbang, okay? This is the cheddar smoked bacon sandwich from Starbucks and it's so good. I'm so cute, guys. This is a pretty good sandwich. I say so myself. Hi guys. How are you?
Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel.
So I used to take pictures in middle school. Well, everybody, if you guys don't know already, this is my hairstylist, professional, Michael.
Or Mikey, or
Mikey.
Michelle, as my brother loves to call.
He's been doing my hair for so many years now, and he does a fabulous job, okay?
I mean, I try. I'm actually trash. I'm just really good at making people believe I'm not.
Right? So tell them what we're doing right now.
We're just sectioning you out, getting you
Okay.
a classic tea parting, just to get all the hair nice and organized. I'm gonna clip the front away from the back so we can start in the back, because as you may or may not know, that hair is a little more resistant.
How long would you say my hair is? Like inches wise?
I'd say like 22 inches, 22, 24, something like that. Close to that.
She is alone.
But there ain't no wig that can look like this, because it's a lot of hair.
that's the real tea, sis.
You want to know the latest beauty guru drama? Vanessa has the most hair.
My hair's full of secrets and scandals.
My hair is a scandal.
Hi guys, so we're back and we are finished. And this hair, guys, oof, looks so nice.
Sponsor me. Sponsor everything. Sponsor the world. Okay.
Let's see the back. Oh, who's she? Oh.
Same.
Or at anything.
I'm just not gonna lie. Cute, thank you.